Some days start with the engines already warm. The Sunseeker Superhawk 55 is built for those mornings. Built by Sunseeker, out of the UK, a name that has been putting people on the water fast for half a century. This one is built around the drive, not just built for speed. The hull was shaped around the pods, not the other way around. You feel it the second you push the throttles. No wallow, no hesitation, just clean, agile water underneath you. Draft under 5 feet. Swim platform down. You're in the water before your coffee's cold. This boat gets you off the dock and into the day. Wet bar rigged in the aft cockpit, ready for however many people show up. Water scooter strapped to the deck for whenever the anchorage gets boring. Golden hour running shots that make the whole coastline look like it was built for this boat. Foredeck sunpad for the ones who'd rather just lie there and watch the coast go by. Below, it's quiet. A forward cabin for waking up slow. An aft cabin that shifts to whatever the trip calls for. But the real living happens above deck, wet bar in hand, coastline moving past. This isn't a boat you admire at the dock. It's a boat you're already gone in by 8. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yacht-specs-direct.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.